Hi everyone. Now let's talk about logical operators. So we can use logical operators to check the logical conditions. Okay. So these logical operators can also return true or false as the output. Whether it is a true or false, we can get the output. So what are the logical operators we have? One is AND, second one is OR, then we have NOT. These three are, we can call it as logical operators. You can observe any programming language, logical operators are same functionality. Okay. So now let's see when we talk about AND operator. Okay. So this AND condition will be whatever the conditions. If you are using, all conditions must true. Okay, all conditions must become true here, so then the output will be true. When all conditions satisfy, then only it will return true, otherwise it will return false. So that means, now understand, whatever the conditions, if you are giving condition 1, condition 2, like this, CONB, that means condition 1 and condition 2 and condition 3, if you are passing, all conditions should satisfy true only, then only it will print true, and then you can say condition 2 also, and condition 3 also, the output will be true. Okay, so this is all about and condition. Now let's see an example. A equal to 10, then you can understand b equal to 20. Okay, so print off. Now I am taking conditions like a less than b. Okay, and then a equal to b. Here I have two conditions here, so you can apply same thing, that is string purpose I am using here. Now a less than b and a equal to b. Now if you observe two conditions, so the condition value, if you observe, one second. So now what we need to understand, so if we observe a less than b and then a equal to b, so in this case what we are getting the value, we are getting output as false. So that means a less than b. Now what are the condition here? A equal to 10, 10 less than 20. So that means it is true. Okay, then, and we have one more condition, that will be 10 equal to 20. So the first condition is true, the second condition is false. So that means one condition is true, one condition is false, it will return false only, right? So that's why it is returning false. Now same thing, if we observe here, if a greater than b, now understand here. So now even a equal to b and a greater than b, both are false. That's why it is throwing an error, throwing false here. So now let's see, a less than b, then you can give, okay, you can change the value of like this, a less than or equal to. Okay, so now you can take it in different way, a greater than or equal to b, and then change the value of 10 here. Then now see, first condition either greater than or less than, sorry, or greater than or equal. So equalities matches in first condition, yes. So that means here first condition also true, then and a equal to b, then both conditions are true, that's why it is printing true value. Execute. So now we need to, sorry, we need to change the value here. For displaying purpose we are writing like this, so even you try. So for string as it is, it will display, but logic you need to like this. So now let's see, try to execute now. So what will happen, it is returning true now. So this condition true, this condition true. That's why it is returning true. So that means all conditions, if true, then only it will true for AND statement. We have OR statement. So that means any one condition is true. Okay. Any one condition is true, then whole is true, then whole statement will be true. Okay. So that means now try to take example. I'm just taking same example here. So try to give A greater than B and both will be false now. That's why it is false. Then change here or value. Okay. So now false. But at least if one condition satisfied. So that means A less than B. So now what we are taking here, sorry, each and every time we are forgetting this we need to use here. Okay. Fine. Now this will be used in this way. Okay, done. Now let's see A greater than B or A equal to B. So when we execute now, let's see the value is, so it is for display purpose. This is the execution part. So that means A greater than, sorry, A less than B, then A less than B is true here. Then one true, you can understand here, or you can say, write it here, one true or one false. So if any one condition is true, then it will print true value. So that is the beauty of OR logical operator. You can take any condition, 100 conditions also if you take in OR conditions, then if 99 conditions false, then if one condition is true in OR logical operations, then it will print true. So that we need to check. And we have one more operator, logical operator, that is not here. So that means opposite vice versa. Okay. So if what we need to do, if A equal to true, okay, then print of not A. So if A equal to true, opposite side it will print. Then that will be false. If A equal to false, okay, then print of not A. Then try to execute. So that will be true. So vice versa it will take. So this is all about logical operations. So very important in the project, logical operators. Okay, where the conditions are multiple conditions are verification. So we can use, so if you want to join multiple conditions, then we can use either and or not as per the flexibility. So that's all about logical operators. Then we can see in the next class with the new operators. Thank you so much.